if the back of your fridge has a little do not remove sign and 4 little vent holes, remove the vent panel there and find your way to this little flannel covered radiator. Remove the flannel from your radiator and you'll get your radiator, aka refrigerator, to last forever. And then your donut removal will work up front, because that's not the... Anyway, they used to be covered by these big bed spring things, and now they've reduced the cooling to a little non-serviceable. They make it last about 5 years before you got to remove the flannel, or it's going to overheat and ruin that compressor. And you're going to get a lot of expensive service calls. I could go on forever, it's so boring.